Good evening. Is your food safe? The U.S. government estimates that more than 5,000 people die of food poisoning each year. That means in spite of all the safety regulations, contaminated food does find its way into the kitchen. Our challenge this year was to investigate a chosen food and improve one way of its safe delivery. Team Moderately Confused is proud to present our innovative solution that we call Erasable Barcodes. So enjoy.
This is a Lego version of a delicious piece of steak. I am going to be modeling bacteria accumulation on it over a period of 2 hours. But for now, ignore me and listen to this awesome presentation by my moderately confused teammates.
Thanks, Ed. We reviewed many recipes and decided to focus on chili due to its mix of veggies, cheese, beans, and beef. Although each ingredient served an individual part of the recipe and could be contaminated by seed-borne funguses, salmonella, listeria, etc., we decided to focus on beef due to its long journey to the consumer and high contamination risk. We got our information from various sources, including the internet, books and magazines, meeting with restaurant owners, visiting a farm, and talking to experts.
Beef and all other meats go through a meat processing system. The steps are pre-handling the cattle, stunning and bleeding, dressing and hide removal, removal of the organs, carcass storage, cutting, inspection, cleaning, and then finally transportation. Beef and all other meats can be contaminated at any point of this process.
However, we decided to focus to the beef stay at the grocery store and the transportation from the grocery store to the customer's house, because this is the least monitored or regulated part of the process, and this is where human consumption comes in. If the meat is spoiled after it is all packed away at the grocery store, the customer will have no way of knowing that the meat has been spoiled and could become sick or even start dying because of food poisoning.
One of the many experts we met with was Vincent Fasson, the Division Food Safety Manager at Kroger's. He informed us about safety procedures that are also mentioned inside the Ohio Uniform Food Safety Code. He told us about the problems he faced, and the main problem was to determine whether the food was safe to eat. His thoughts influenced our criteria for our final project. After we finished our project, we represented our project to Vincent Fasson. He gave us positive feedback and told his board of directors.
For our solution, we decided that we needed something to tell us how long meat has been exposed to unsafe temperatures and prevent its sale. To do this, we researched 5 products, but the one we decided to research most extensively and then improve was called the Timestrip. The Timestrip is a recent innovation that can measure how long meat has been exposed to unsafe temperatures above 4 degrees Fahrenheit. When meat has been exposed to temperatures above 4 degrees Fahrenheit, the number of bacteria in the meat doubles every 20 minutes. When meat has been exposed for 2 hours, it is no longer safe for consumption.
Our innovative solution combines the Timestrip technology with our erasable barcode. If the food has been exposed 2 hours above its temperature threshold, then our innovative solution can disable the barcode so no one accidentally buys the bad meat. We presented our idea to Mr. Ron Wallace, engineer and project manager at the Mettler Toledo Scales, and he said that this is a workable idea.
The erasable barcode works like this. When the Timestrip is activated, the word safe appears. This indicates that your food is safe, for the moment. As the time outside the temperature threshold increases, the ink keeps advancing, and at 2 hours, it stops advancing momentarily. Immediately after 2 hours, it spills into the barcode side of the Timestrip. It covers up part of the barcode, and also the word un appears, which means that your food is now unsafe.
If this system is used, there will be many benefits. Customers would benefit because if they happen to pick up contaminated food in the store, they wouldn't be able to buy it, so they wouldn't get sick. Stores would benefit because if food did get contaminated in the store, then it wouldn't be able to be checked out. However, if food does get contaminated after leaving the store, then the customers will have a way of knowing because the label will read unsafe, as New Peter just demonstrated. Also, this label can be used on any food product that needs to be kept at a certain temperature.
Now that you've seen our project, let's go back to Ed, who's been modeling bacteria reproduction.
This is our model of bacteria accumulation. This is a lot of bacteria considering that it started with just one bacteria on it. If you could see all these bacteria on the meat, would you eat them? Would you eat the meat? Thank you for your time.